I had my way, I would never go back. With my back to the wall, just letting myself fall. Watch the daytimes turn black, but now and again I find you cross my mind. Oh, I was a train, I would never slow down. My head in the sky and the world going by, every nowhere town. As I write one more letter to you, I know I can't change the things that I do. Oh, one day when you discover just why my dreams, each day it seems, losing my way back to you. It's time for a change. What else could I do? The clock ticking time, better make up my mind. Is it me or is it you? Yeah, tonight as I'm losing control, I will